A joistie looks like this. It's a semi-rigid board, 150 millimeters wide and 1 meter long. You can see that it's the same on both sides, so there's not a top and a bottom. Now at some stage, you're going to want to cut a joistie to length, because it's unlikely that your joists are going to be exactly the same length as a number of joisties. So once you've decided where you want to cut your joistie, it's good practice to grab another joistie and lay it on top of the other one. And why is that? Because it's going to give you a nice square cut. It's just a guide for cutting the one that you're actually going to cut. And how do we do that? Well, we get a utility knife. It's good to have a new blade. And it's really just as simple as that. And there you go, there's our joistie, cut to length with a nice square edge. Now at some stage you're also going to want to cut around a pipe or some kind of electrical thing, a conduit maybe. And the way you do that again is just with your knife, and you can certainly just cut the joistie like that. Take that out and there's your rebate around the pipe or around the electrical conduit. It's as simple as that.